Everyone's individual sensuality or sexuality belongs to them and no one else. So this is a way to reclaim that so that you feel more confident in your body, and when you feel more confident in your body, it transcends into other areas of your life. So to get started, we're going to just do 3 or 4 sensual type movements from easy seated pose. So easy seated pose, if you're familiar with yoga, it's just simply like sitting cross-legged. You can always go as comfortable as you want. If your hips are more tight, you can always open up your legs a little bit more. If your hips are a little bit tight, your knees might come up to here, and that's okay. You can always sit with a pillow underneath your bottom, and that might help even out your hips and make you feel more comfortable. With sensual movement, I also want to say that, and with yoga in general too, always do what you are comfortable doing. If something feels uncomfortable or awkward, or if you have pain, you can always stop the movements at any time. Go where your body is ready and comfortable to go. So we're going to start this practice with 3 deep breaths. And a lot of the times we talk about those deep belly breaths, breathing with your diaphragm. So we're going to incorporate that same idea, that same concept. We're going to breathe deeply through our diaphragm, through our belly, but we want to imagine the air is filling up our entire body. So when we breathe in and breathe out, every time you breathe in, you want to imagine that the air is transferring through your lungs and the rest of your body. Air expanding, oxygen expanding into your shoulders and your arms. Air expanding into the hips, into the sacral and root chakras, into the legs, and to the feet. And as you exhale, I want you to exhale any extra thoughts, and also exhale any negative thoughts, any negativity, any judgment that you might start to feel around your body. So whenever you're ready, we're just going to start with the movement in the chest. Very simple, starting with some seated cat-cows. Breathing in as you squeeze the chest forward, shoulder blades back. Exhale as you push the chest forward, sinking the belly in towards the spine, bringing the chin to the chest. Inhale, pushing the chest forward. Exhale, sinking the chest back. One more. Inhale, pushing the chest forward. Exhale, pushing the chest back. This time, as you inhale the chest forward, we're going to now take that chest into like a rolling motion, like a body wave. So you're going to push the chest forward, and then now you're going to bring the chest back and then sink it down, rounding the spine. And this time you're going to push the chest forward, sinking down like you're doing a seated body roll. This might feel a little bit awkward, and that is okay. Just keep moving through and breathing, and eventually your body will start to feel comfortable and smooth out the motion. You don't have to go as deep. You can go really deep if you want, but you can also go up high. When you lean the chest forward, it can look more like this. It is okay. It just kind of depends on the flexibility of your spine. Good. And one more. Okay. From here, bringing our spine back to neutral position, relaxing the shoulders. Now we're going to take another chest and spine movement, and this might feel even more awkward. And we are going to take the chest forward, and then we're going to bring it to the side, and then back, and then the side again, and then forward. Bringing that chest into a circular motion. Very nice. And if you want, you can start to move your hands up and down. That might be a lot to think about, so don't worry if you can only focus on the chest, that's okay. But you can naturally let your hands kind of slide on your legs as you move the chest around. When you're ready, reversing, going the other way. Just gently touching your legs. Not really even thinking about it too much, just kind of letting the body move. One more time around. And bringing that spine to neutral position. Last movement, we're going to focus on the neck. So we're going to just move the neck around in some nice easy circles. And reversing when you're ready. Letting the head just be heavy, not forcing it. And when you're ready, we're going to bring that chin toward the chest. We're going to take our hands, interlace the fingers, and then just rest the palms of our head on the back of our neck. Not pulling the neck down, but just letting the weight of the hands rest on the neck. So you feel a little bit of pressure, but not too much. If it starts to feel uncomfortable or hurt, you can always lift your head up a little bit or just take some of the weight off of your hands. When you're ready, we're going to slowly unlace the fingers, and we're just going to start to gently press and massage the back of our neck. However you would like, if you like to do little pokes, if you like to use your thumbs, just massaging the back of your neck and just touching yourself. Moving that massage down the shoulders, you can do little squeezes, and then moving those hands to the front of the side of the shoulders and then to the front, getting to all those muscles here, along the shoulders. Really just gentle touches, and then releasing the hands when you're ready.